You want to make $5,000 in your sleep, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that legally, ethically, and have a fun time doing it. And this is a muscle you're going to be able to use over and over again for 5,000 and beyond. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Arlan. 10 years ago, I was homeless, but since then, I have invested in more than 200 startups led by underestimated founders, just like you. And I've also generated millions and millions of dollars for myself and other people by doing some of the things I'm going to show you right now. Now, this one I'm really excited about because it's kind of personal. It has to do with my new project, and I want to show you exactly how people are making money right now. I'm going to share my screen. Now, if you look here, this is my new membership. It is called Your First 5K with Arlan. And if you were to see this on your own with the link that's in the bio, you would notice that right now, as of the time of this filming, it is only $9 per month to join for the first 1,000 people, which is absolutely crazy. Now, inside of this community, you have community. You have more than 300 people as of now that'll grow substantially. And people are so amazing. They're helpful. They are extremely supportive. And it's just a lot of fun. But in the classroom is where you're going to unlock the information you need to make your first 5K. Now, this is not exactly how you're going to make it in this video. I want to show you a cool way that you can start to make money immediately after you join. So you have this really special and curated, extremely valuable information that I have done one piece by piece myself, with poured in hours and hours of my time and my information and my experience after generating millions of dollars after being poor and homeless. And we even have a YouTube accelerator that is special to this membership only. Now, the way that you can make a little extra money to start, and then that becomes more, is that you can become actually an affiliate of this membership when you are a member. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to use someone else's school. This is a school account. I'm going to use their example because I'm a member of theirs. And I think theirs is $9 a month right now too. So all you have to do is when you get when you join this, when you come to this page and you join, you'll be invited in to check everything out. Then you'll have the community tab like this, but instead of saying settings, because this is my dashboard, it'll say this, it'll say invite people. And when you click, so first what you're going to do is look around and check out the amazing information that's there for you. But when you come here and you click on invite people, you will see that you will get a commission if you use this special referral link. And you just copy what you see there. Again, I'm using this as an example, but you're really going to be in this and you're going to click here. So you'll see, oh, I get a commission. You get commission. In my case, you get 40% to 50% commission, depending on how many you have done. And right now, if you were to look at the amount of money that has come in and the amount of money that, how many people are here, there's an average of about $25 that is earned total when someone joins. That does not even count monthly recurring revenue. So the reason it's 25 is because there's also a yearly rate if you want to upgrade to yearly. And some people do that, about a third of the people do that, and the rest do monthly. And some people upgrade a little bit later after they've seen how incredibly valuable this membership is. Now, when it averages out to about $25 as of today per member who joins. So if you're making 40% of that, that's $10 per person. That's the least you'll make. You'll make even more depending on where you are in that tier. So you're making $10 and all you're doing is telling other people about the membership that is so amazing that you have experienced yourself. Now, I want to show you this because I won the school games, which is that platform I just showed you. It's like having a Facebook. I have a Facebook page, but it's on school. I have a school page. I won what is called the school games because I generated a lot of money in with my schools, and not just that, but as an affiliate. So I know exactly what it's like to be an affiliate for something else, for something that I love, and put it in front of people because I know it'll help them. So what you have here, and I want to be very clear with you, remember that I've generated millions of dollars. I have 3 books. I have 3 books out on two of them on major publishers. One of them I did independently because I wanted to get it out to you faster, and I actually made more money. I made 6 figures with those, but I'm actually making more money from my independent smaller book. So I know what I'm talking about is what I'm saying. And I also don't have any incentive to lead you astray and try to get you into some sort of like MLM or, pyramid thing. I can understand how you might feel that way. It's like some people, their alarms are going to go off and they're going to say, oh, I'm just going to be an affiliate to sell the thing and then sell the thing. I have to show you this again. Let me show you one more time. So when you go in and you pay just $9 a month, which is a ridiculous low amount, which will go up after 1,000 members. And so you'll make more money as an affiliate, but that's a side note. You're getting live sessions. Like we have a live session today where I am going in and live for an hour. I'm speaking with the group and you get that direct proximity to me. And people have, let me see if I can find it fast enough where people were like, how cool it was. Let's see, an orientation to remember. The orientation today was awesome. Thank you, Arlan, and all of you. We are destined for prosperity and greatness. Orientation set the tone. Thanks again, Arlan, for this incredible place and space. I truly appreciate you for shedding light on how valuable what each and every one brings to the table is. Let's get this money, everyone. Okay, orientation call. Totally impressed by the value provided in tonight's Zoom. This was from our last call that we had a few days ago, and it goes on and on and on. So this is not just fluff. This is not just you go in and I'm making a quick buck. This is, I have poured years of my experience into this, and you get very, very specific, like very specific training. And I'm not clicking on this because the people who are members get that access. And I want to be nice to them and respect them for not showing all the sauce. But I have more than 400 videos on YouTube that are free if you don't want to join. And if you're still with me, there's something that's telling you this is interesting. So you don't have to be an affiliate to join. You don't have to join to be an affiliate. I mean, you do have to join to be an affiliate, but you don't have to be an affiliate when you join. I just think because I am an affiliate for a couple of really targeted things, and I have seen the impact of what it means to make that money while I'm sleeping. I want this for you, right? I want this for you. When I'm asleep, what I have done is I've created a way for people to click on my links without me having to be in front of them. I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. Now you understand the why and the how. You understand the why and the what. So I'm going to show you the how. The how you do this is so let's say you're going to put you in 2 different buckets. So you wait for your bucket, right? The first bucket is, let's say you already have an audience. You already have some clients, or you already have some people who listen to you. Maybe you have 1,000 people on Instagram, or you have a LinkedIn, or you have even a YouTube channel, TikTok, etc. TikTok is not going to translate as well, but Instagram and LinkedIn will. Let's say you do. You are going to go into the membership. You're going to decide, I'm going to be a monthly member or a yearly member. It's very accessible either way. Then you're going to look through the curriculum and you're going to realize, wow, this is very powerful and very helpful. And everybody here is like getting something from it. So you're going to know for yourself, oh, this is a good product. And that you have to know that deep internally before you can sell something. Believe me, I know. You have to believe it and you have to know it to be true before you can actively sell. And this isn't passive income. This is active income. You just get to set it up in a way that it becomes a flywheel for you. So let's say you have any type of audience. You're going to have that information, you know, okay, it's a good product, it's a great product. Then you're going to write posts about it. Let's say it's LinkedIn. You'll write a little post, a short post that explains why you love this membership so much and what people will gain. Remember, the transformation that people get is what they're looking for. They're not really looking for the individual features, or you're going to get this and this, which, by the way, there are plenty, but they're looking for the transformation. Your first 5K, I'm going to help you make your first 5K online, right? I'm going to simplify that process for you inside of the membership. That is what you convey to people on Instagram, on LinkedIn. And you take your link that I showed you how to get your link once you're in, make sure you use your referral link very specifically. And when people sign up because they've seen that you like it, you will be able to tell in your own member settings how much money you make. And not only will people pay that upfront amount, but it's my job to make sure that people really love the membership day after day, week after week, and month after month. So this now becomes recurring revenue. It won't be the exact amount, the same amount, because it just depends on if they became yearly or monthly members. So if they became yearly, you get more upfront. If they became monthly, you get less upfront, but you get more over time. So either way, if you look at it like, okay, over the next 6 months, I want to make X amount of money. Let's say you want to make $1,000 with this. You would need, and this is general because the prices will go up. Some people may do monthly, more monthly for your link, etc. But in general, you would probably need for $1,000, 100 people to join. But at this price point, more than 300 people joined in like 6.5 days. So if you think, oh, over the next month, 2 months, 3 months, I'm going to once a week put something, pepper things, not only on LinkedIn, but then you go to Instagram. Instagram, take your phone, record a video of you talking about the membership and how much it has helped you. And do what's in the membership because you will see those wins if you implement what I teach. So you just say, look, I've had these results inside this membership. I love it so much that I want to give you my referral link so you can join it too. And then you'll have your friends in there, you'll have your audience in there, and you all can hang out. That's another thing to do. Now, one really cool hack is that you create your own bonus for people who use your link. So let's say you have your link set up either in your description of your YouTube or your LinkedIn or your Instagram and you say, if you join, let me know and I will send you my ebook for free, or I'll send you just a checklist that I have, a bonus, some type of bonus. Or this is one that I've seen work really well. I've done this myself and it's worked so well. So pay attention to this. You could have the people who sign up to your link do a monthly call with you on Zoom or Google Meets or wherever. They do a monthly call with you to go over the curriculum and what we've learned inside of the membership. So they get that bonus tutoring from you and they get to, it's this small group. So let's say you bring in 12 people or 20 people and a few of them show up, you all get to work together. So they get that added bonus of having that accountability, that group that's within. It's like when you go to a big event and you wear your t-shirts, everybody wears the same t-shirt and we're part of this group. It's really, really psychologically beneficial to have like accountability partners and have an affinity group within a larger group. So let's say you have no audience, you have zero audience. There are ways that you can, and I actually teach you inside of the membership because I'm teaching you that for everything else. But essentially, you can use YouTube, you can use the YouTube accelerator that I have to create a brand new audience for yourself. And you would make videos about this membership, but you make it about the topics around it, right? You would talk about a certain topic that was appealing to a target demographic that you have. And then you would let them know that there is a solution in this membership. Now, of course, there are multiple other ways that I teach. I teach you how to make 5 grand in other ways other than affiliates. And there are other affiliate links and programs that you can be part of, some that pay more, some that pay less. But this is so specific because you create a post or you put up a video. You can do it once, and especially on YouTube. Especially on YouTube, you put a video out there, and whether it gets one view in the first week or if it gets 1,000 views in the first week, either way, YouTube will put it into the algorithm for you and try to get in front of people to click on. So I teach you in the YouTube Accelerator inside of the membership how to have the right thumbnails and the right titles and all of that. But either way, it'll keep doing that for weeks and months and even years. So you can be asleep while people are looking at your video, getting that information, understanding it like you're doing right now. If you have any doubts, you're still here, right? So think about that logic. They will then click on the link, and one out of about 10 people will join. That is the current rate, 1 out of 10. Now, remember that I said that the prices will go up. So the prices will go up slightly, still will be an incredible value, but that also means that the commissions will go up over time. So if you come in now, get in on the right price, and then, or whatever the lowest price is, like whatever price you get in, if you're seeing this months later, it's the lowest price it'll ever be. You get in on that price, you bring in 2 or 3 people, and you've paid for your own membership. So it's really, really cool. I also provide promotional materials like my clips and videos and things like that that you can post if you don't feel like, if you feel like I'm going to tell the story a little bit better just to start out, I also have that there to help you as well. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you're going to become an affiliate of your first 5K. Yes, you can. If you're wondering, you can also do this for Arlan's All Access, which is even more, but you need to be a member of it to do it. And I will see you there. The people who bring in the most referrals are going to get a bonus. So I'll see you there, and we'll talk about it soon.